Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying coverage and gathering essentials so you don't waste time. Locate your Airpods serial number and sign into your Apple ID. Once done, open the Apple Support app or Support. Apple. Calm and pick Airpods, then Coverage and Repair. Try simple diagnostics while you're there. Pair them to your iPhone, update firmware, and test sound left and right. Doing this first helps the advisor pinpoint the issue and makes the claim faster because you've already eliminated common setup problems. You'll now work through the middle steps to finalize the service path. Explain the problem clearly to the advisor so they can recommend warranty service, a paid repair, or a replacement. Make sure you understand why they chose that option. Next, choose mail-in shipping versus an in-person Genius Bar appointment because each has different wait times and handling. If you're out of warranty, confirm the exact fee, how you'll pay, and the estimated turnaround. This avoids surprise charges and delays down the line. You finish by completing the shipment or visiting the store and then restoring service. Follow Apple's packing instructions and send the Airpods or bring them in. Once you receive the repaired or replacement unit, inspect it immediately and pair it to your device to confirm audio and mic function. If something goes wrong, claim denied or long delay. Escalate calmly. Ask for a supervisor, open Apple Chat, and have receipts plus diagnostic notes ready. That evidence speeds resolution and often reverses incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.